Hey guys, in this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers in the market today. We'll analyze their features side by side and help you decide which one is the best for your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. If you're cooking for a family, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer is the way to go with its whopping 26-quart capacity. You can easily cook a whole rotisserie chicken or a 12 inches pizza on its 3 cooking racks. On the other hand, the air fryers by Big Boss is more compact and great for single or two-person households. Both air fryers have adjustable temperature controls, but the air fryers by Big Boss has a range of 80 to 200 degrees, while Emeril Lagasse air fryer's convection crisp technology generates 360 degrees airflow at higher temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which lets you cook food 30% faster than traditional ovens. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer comes with every accessory you need to get started, including a crisper tray basket, air fryer rack, baking pan, grill plate with handle, rotisserie spit set, rotisserie fetch tool, drip tray, and Emeril's easy-to-follow recipe guide. The air fryers by Big Boss has a simple pull-out drawer and removable basket for easy cleaning. Both air fryers use rapid air circulation technology, which allows you to cook food with less or no oil, making your meals healthier. However, the air fryers by Big Boss has a better feature to force out the oil and remove the fat, enabling you to say goodbye to greasy foods. The air fryers by Big Boss costs $2 US, which is cheaper than the Emeril Lagasse air fryer's price. Remember, though, that Emeril Lagasse air fryer has multiple functionalities, and considering its price makes more sense in the long run. And that's our comparison of the air fryers by Big Boss and Emeril Lagasse air fryer. Both air fryers have their own unique features, and it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.